Hey guys, it is Jordan back again with another tutorial. Now I know it's been a minute since I've done one of these because it was Halloween season and I was just having a little fun. In today's video I created this beautiful cut crease makeup look. For the purpose of this video, I did also change the shape of my eyebrows. I made them more thicker, more shorter, and I think that this complements the whole look so well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this overall look, so meet me down in the comment section so that we can have a discussion. Also, before we jump into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to go ahead and do so and join the party. Also, please enable all post notifications so that you are aware whenever I upload new content. And be sure to give this video a like and tell somebody who loves makeup as well about this video. And if you're not yet following me on Instagram, please be sure to go ahead and do so now. I would love for us to speak and get to know each other more. Without any more talking, we're just gonna jump into this tutorial. So let's go.
Hey guys, and welcome back again. Alright, so as you can see, I completed one eye off camera just to get a feel as to what I wanted to achieve, and then now I'm just going in to prime my eyelids. I am using the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade True Beige. After all my eyelids has been primed, I now go in with the shade of purple from my Delancey palette as my first shade. My first shade. So what I did, I blended it in my crease, inwards, in my crease, and all the way to the end of my eyes. Then I went in with the shade of pink from the Delancey palette as my first transition shade, just to smooth and blend the purple together and make sure that there are no harsh lines. After I was satisfied with that, I then went back in with this shade of orange, and I didn't do a lot with the orange. I just did a little bit just to spice things up at the end to transition that pink shade and to just make everything blend together and look so warm and so nice. Now it is time to cut my crease. For that, I am using, of course, my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and my trick to cut in my crease is to cut it above where my eyelid would normally stop when my eyes are open, because I have hooded eyes, and if I don't do that, then the eyeshadow on my lid will not be visible unless my eyes are closed. So after I've completed that, I'm now going in with this beautiful pink pigment from Beauty Mark by Wong. She is on Instagram. I love her pigments and her glitters, so definitely I'm gonna put her page up for you guys to check her out later on in the video. Now, after I have added all that pigment onto the base or the lid of my eyes, I am now going to go in with my NYX eyelash glue. I'm going to be making a nice little line from my inner eye all the way to where that cut crease stops, because I'm going to add this beautiful glitter by Bitsy, which I absolutely love. I've used in a couple of my videos in the past. After I've done that, I'm going to smoke out using those two shades of purple from the Delancey palette to smoke out the end of where my cut crease ends, because this is not a full cut crease. After I was satisfied with that, I then went in again with my Kiss eyelash glue to add some glue to the end of my cut crease, because I'm actually going to be adding some more glitter. Now, the glitter that I chose, it's very bold. It's not for everyone. So if you're not into that type of color of glitter, you can actually use whichever you want. So there it is. Again, it is by Beauty Mark by Wong on Instagram. I'm going to put her Instagram handle up right here so you can check her out. She has beautiful pigments as well as beautiful glitters that you can choose from, and I really love this combination. I popped some lashes on off camera, and now I'm just cleaning up any fallout from my eyeshadows using a regular baby wipe. After that, I'm going to go in and prime my face using the Nivea Soft Hands Face and Body Moisturizer, which is, my day one. primer, the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer is my primer of choice for today. I love the finish. I love how it makes everything just looks nice and matte. Then I actually added this Gleam Color Glam Beam, which is like a liquid highlighter. I added that on the high points of my face just because I wanted my foundation to, you know, pop. For foundation, of course, I am using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. My shade is W7, which I believe is warm. Of course, you have to use your foundation of choice that matches your complexion. I am now going in with a damp foundation brush that I actually added some primer onto, and now we're just gonna go ahead and blend out our foundation. Moving on to concealer, I am actually using my LA Girl Pro concealer. I mixed warm beige with another shade. I don't remember what it is, but I will link it down below for you. And basically, you know, I'm just putting that in my high points that I want to highlight. And of course, for contour, again, I'm using LA Girl. And I do have a full detailed video on contour and highlighting that I will link above for you guys. To set my highlight in place, I'm going to go ahead and use my Coty Airspun Loose powder to do that. And I believe I didn't put it on screen, but to set my contour, I used my MAC contour shade. I think it's a press powder by MAC, but I don't remember the name right now, so I will link that down below for you guys. I also used it to contour my nose. I am now going in with my press powder. If you have followed me for a while, then you know this step is a must for me. I am using this press powder by La Champ Cosmetics. They are on Instagram as well, so you can check her out. It's a vegan and cruelty-free brand. I then, you know, just touch it on my eyebrows to make sure that they are still looking hella snatched. And then we're gonna finish up this look. To finish up this look, I basically did the same thing that I did for my lower lash line that I did on the upper portion of my eyes, which is to mix those two darker shades along with the pink pigment. Now, I have had this Milani lip kit for quite some time and I love it. It's very matte. I don't remember the name though, and the name is actually not on the back of the product. But for my lip combo, I basically lined my lips using a brown lip pencil. I then went in with that, and I'm adding my NYX Buttercup lip gloss. I'm using the Smashbox, the original highlighter to highlight my high points, and I'm setting with this NYX matte setting spray. Course, no look will be complete without having fabulous hair, so I'm just going in using my flat iron just to create some flips on this wig of mine, and I'll catch you guys at the end.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am definitely loving how this makeup look turned out. What are your thoughts? And let me know down in the comment section if you are loving this eye makeup look. It's very bold. It's not for everyone, but if you're into this type of makeup, then definitely I would love for you to recreate this look and tag me on Instagram. That is at designed by Jordan, so that I can see your recreations. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you've not yet done so. Make sure after you subscribe you enable all notifications so that you are aware whenever I upload new content. And also be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like content like this. And also don't forget to meet me in the comment section and let's have a discussion. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling? I want to know. I want to keep in touch with you guys. And until next time, I will see you guys. Take care.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think